Hey, welcome back to another episode of the Skin Intelligence Sundays podcast. I'm Morgan, skincare consultant, author of Love and Melanated Skincare Guide, and creator of the digital platform, The Melanin Method. Now, today is a special one because we're celebrating Father's Day. And first off, I want to say Happy Father's Day to all the dads, the bonus dads, stepdads, grandfathers, mentors, and father figures listening today. And if you're listening and your father is no longer here, or your relationship with your father is complicated, I want to acknowledge that today can bring up a lot of emotions. So wherever you are emotionally today, this conversation is for you too. Now let's talk about something many men don't talk about enough: their skin. Because somewhere along the way, skincare got labeled as something that's only for women. That's simply not true. And one of the biggest misconceptions I hear is, I'm a man and I don't need skincare. But your skin doesn't know whether you're a man or a woman. Your skin responds to sun exposure, aging, stress, inflammation, and unfortunately, many men wait until their problem becomes a problem before paying attention. Many of the fathers I see and deal with have razor bumps, dark spots, dry skin, oily skin, acne, sun damage, skin tags, premature aging, you name it. But the good news is, most of these issues can be improved with a simple routine. Not a complicated one. Yes, a simple routine. And the one thing I've noticed over the years in working in dermatology is that many men spend their lives taking care of everyone else. They provide, they protect, solve problems, they make sacrifices, but often they neglect themselves. And that includes their health and skincare. And I can tell you how many times I've heard a man say, I haven't seen a doctor in years, or I just wear sunscreen, or my favorite, oh, I just wash my face with whatever soap is nearby. Meanwhile, they're making sure everyone else is okay. And today is a reminder, simple reminder, you matter too. Your health matters too, and your skin matters too. All right, for my melanated men listening, there are a few unique concerns we deal with. One is hyperpigmentation. Those dark spots that stick around after a breakout, cut, scrape, or ingrown hair. Another is pseudofolliculitis barbae, also known as razor bumps. That happens because curly hair naturally curves back into the skin after shaving. It's incredibly common in black men. The problem isn't always your razor. Sometimes it's your shaving habits. Sometimes it's inflammation. And it could be a lack of proper skincare afterwards. Many men think they simply have to live with razor bumps, but that's not true. There are solutions. So let's keep this simple. If you're a father listening and you're doing absolutely nothing for your skin, start here. Step 1, cleanse. Wash your face with a gentle facial cleanser, not a body wash, not dish soap, not whatever bar soap is sitting in the shower. A facial cleanser morning and night. Step 2, moisturize. Many men skip this step, especially if they're, think they have oily skin. But oily skin still needs hydration. A lightweight moisturizer helps support your skin barrier and keeps your skin healthier overall. Step 3, sunscreen. Yes, black people need sunscreen. Yes, melanated skin can experience sun damage. Yes, we get hyperpigmentation and dark spots. And yes, skin cancer can happen in darker skin tones. It's rare, but it can happen. So sunscreen is not optional. It's protection. All right, here's something I want fathers to think about. Your children are watching you, not just listening. They're watching. They're watching how you care for yourself, how you talk about your health, how you handle stress, how you prioritize wellness. And when your children see you taking care of yourself, you give them permission to do the same. Let me say that again. When your children see you taking care of yourself, you give them permission to do the same. That's a lesson that lasts far beyond Father's Day. All right, I think I've said enough here. As we wrap up today's episode, I want every father listening to remember this. Taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's necessary. You deserve the same care, attention, and compassion that you give to everyone else. Healthy skin isn't about looking perfect. It's about taking care of your body that you've been given. And that is something worth celebrating. So thank you for joining me for this special Father's Day edition of Skin Intelligence Sundays. If this episode encouraged you, share it with a father, grandfather, husband, brother, son, or mentor in your life. My book, Love and Melanated Skincare Guide, is available on Amazon and is packed with practical skincare education designed specifically for melanin skin. And if you're ready to take the guesswork out of skincare, check out my digital course, The Melanin Method. You can purchase that course for $97 or just join the community for free. So until next time, remember, love the skin that you're in. Bye.
Days of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the light, afro blow. Two lovers are face to face with undulating grace. The jelly sway slip away to some secluded place. Days of delight, cocoa hue, rich as the night, afro blue. Dream of a land my soul is from. I hear a hand stroke on the drum. Shades of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Elegant boy, beautiful girl. Dancing for joy, elegant world. Shades of delight.